Hi, I'm Neha Inamdar, and I've recently attended the workshop conducted by Ketan Gandhi sir. It was really a different and nice experience for me to be a case writer. So far, I have written research papers and some sort of articles and all, but still, this particular case writing experience is completely different. Initially, I was a bit hesitant to write a case, but then somehow, after the discussion and after the valid inputs taken by Gandhi sir, I have written a case. I have submitted it for his review, and after his review, many corrections were there, which I have incorporated, and now I am quite happy with the performance of the case, and it has come up very nicely. And really I'm very happy to be associated with KG Guruji, and it was really a nice experience. Everyone should try this at least once. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm Dr. Meghna Bhilare from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management and Research. This case study writing workshop has been a very wonderful experience as so far we have been always a users of cases, but this case writing workshop really encouraged or made us to write the cases on our own. The case I have worked upon is in an incidence case, which was a very small incidence, but with the right direction of Ketan sir and under his guidance, I could develop it into a really satisfactory case. Uh, the most challenging part in the first draft was to relate that small incidents to the academics and the area of specialization wherein which I am looking case to put in. The next most challenging part in this throughout workshop has been developing the teaching notes, as you have to look it from the perspective of the users of the cases, and you have to do each and every complete the each and every minute details so that it becomes very user friendly for the user, the person who is going to use your case. Ketan sir has been a really very wonderful mentor and guide throughout the workshop. The improvement, there is nothing. It has been a very perfect session, but I would say that the cases should be taken up on the each type of cases so that it helps the participants to work more. Thank you all. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity which we got.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Professor Dr. Shefali Thakral. In my academic journey, I have published 7 books and 51 research papers and 21 exclusive chapters in various books of management, but I have never written a case study before. I got inspired for writing this case study by Ketan sir, who guided me and gave me time to time necessary suggestions, and also my own handwritten book on consumer behavior. It was an amazing experience, and thanks to Mr. Gandhi for inspiring me, and I hope this achievement adds as a milestone to my previous academic works. I have written case study on online shoppers rural coastal ride at Shein.com. Now I am going to discuss my key learnings about practical case writing, which I have summarized. Be realistic about the goals of your case study. Identify a compelling angle for your case study. The more compelling your angle, the better the story. The better the story, the more engaging your case study will be. But make your case study relatable to all prospects. Follow the classic narrative arc in your case study. Once again, I am going to I would like to thank my sincere.
Hello everyone, I am Parag. I'm Parag Gauti. Being a corporate employee and a certified trainer, I have always appreciated the importance of experiential learning, and case study being an important tool in this regard. I had always longed for writing my own case studies for teaching in my sessions, and then if things go well, then put it for the academic use. However, it never started. With training from Ketan sir and the inputs he has given, I could pen down my first case study on customer delight. The passion with which he taught us the case study writing and the various facets of it, it has motivated me to practice this art of scientific writing and improve it continuously. He has explained various types of case studies, given us many examples which helped us get the concept clarified. Being a solution provider, my first case study had a blend of problem and solution entangled together. He simply explained various things about it, and then I could write it from a different perspective. A long way to go, but at least I have stepped my first foot onto this path, and with bearing the torch of points given by Ketan sir, I'll definitely move ahead. Thank you, Ketan sir, for the insightful session. Thanks a lot.